Nigeria is a land of diversity in people, in culture, in landscapes, and in cities. Across the vast nation, some cities rise above the rest, not just in population, but in development, infrastructure, business opportunities, and urban planning. These are the cities that tell the story of Nigeria's resilience, its struggles, and its triumph. Today, we take a journey into Nigeria's top 10 most built-up cities, ranked from number 1 to number 10. Each city has its own story of growth, of setbacks, of heritage, and of dreams being built in concrete and steels. Let's begin. Lagos. Lagos is Nigeria's beating heart, the city that never sleeps. With over 20 million residents, it is not just Nigeria's commercial capital, but the largest city in Africa. Lagos is where everything happens first. The first to wake, the last to sleep, and the first to experience both the opportunities and challenges of modern life. Here, you find towering skyscrapers on Victoria Island, high-rise luxury apartments in Ikoyi, the bustling energy of Lekki, and the futuristic vision of a Atlantic city, a man-made island being built to fight back the ocean and provide new homes for hundreds of thousands of people. The city's road network, from the Third Mainland Bridge to Lekki Ikoyi Link Bridge, define Nigeria's engineering ambition. Its ports are the busiest in West Africa, serving as the gateway to trade and commerce. And despite the endless traffic, Lagos remains the land of dreams, a place where Nigerians from every tribe come to seek opportunity. In Lagos, you see the future of Nigeria, ambitious, chaotic, and full of possibilities. Abuja. From the chaos of Lagos, we move to the calm of Abuja, Nigeria's federal capital territory. Designed as a planned city in the heart of the country, Abuja represents order, governance, and structure. The city is known for its wide, well-paved roads, its expansive districts, and its modern estates. At its center is the Central Business District, where glass tower houses, banks, corporations, and ministries. The skyline is still growing, with buildings like the World Trade Center, Abuja, and landmarks like the National Mosque and the National Christian Center, and the giant Asu Rock, which towers above the city. Abuja is a place of balance. It does not have the madness of Lagos, but it has its own rhythm, the rhythm of governance, of diplomacy, and of wealth. For many, it represents the best planned city in Nigeria, a place where green spaces meet concrete, and where order is as important as ambition. Port Harcourt, the oil city of Nigeria, known for its lush greenery and its strategic importance to Nigeria's economy. Port Harcourt is home to oil giants, the multinationals, and the wealth that flows from beneath the Niger Delta. Luxury estates line its neighborhood. The city's roads and bridges link it to vital oil installation and ports, from Trans-Amadi industrial layout to the bustling Mile 1 market. Port Harcourt is a city of contrast, immense wealth on one hand, and the daily hustle for survival on the other. But what sets Port Harcourt apart is its role as the gateway to Nigeria's oil wealth. Every drop of crude oil that leaves Nigeria has a story connected to this city. And with oil comes riches and challenges. Yet, Port Harcourt continues to grow, not just as an oil hub, but as a cultural and an educational center, home to the University of Port Harcourt, and a new generation of thinkers and innovators. Kano. Now to the north. Kano, the ancient city that has grown into Nigeria's largest metropolis in the region. Rich in history, Kano has been a trading city for centuries. Its ancient walls and gates still standing as testimony to its place in the trans-Saharan trade routes. Today, Kano is as busy as ever. Its markets, Kumi Market, Sabongari Market, and the enormous Kantikwari Textile Market attracts traders from across West Africa. Its industries produces everything from leather to textile to consumer goods. Modern Kano is a city of dense urbanization, flyover, expanding estates, and a skyline that continues to rise. It is also a city of resilience, blending tradition with modernity, Islam with commerce, and heritage with ambition. Kano remains the North's shining jewel, a city that refuses to stand still. Ibadan, one of the largest cities in West Africa by land mass, Ibadan carries with it both history and modern growth. It is the home to the Cocoa House, Nigeria's first skyscraper, built in 1965 as a symbol of Western Nigeria's economic ambition. Today, Ibadan continues to expand with estates, universities, and industries. Its strategic position close to Lagos makes it a growing hub for those who want the Lagos opportunities, but not Lagos cures. Neighborhoods like Bodija, Ring Road, and Oluoye showcases its city's middle-class growth. At the same time, Ibadan remains culturally vibrant, the home of Yoruba heritage, literature, and tradition. Its growth is steady, not hurried, but always visible. Ibadan stands as a city where history meets quiet modernity. Welcome to the cool city. Enugu, the heart of eastern Nigeria, is one of the most beautiful and well-planned cities in the country. Known for its serene environment, its hills, and its gentle order, Enugu combines nature with urban life. Flyover and malls dot the city. New estates spring up daily, and its road network makes it one of the neatest cities in Nigeria. But Enugu is more than just building. It is a city of culture, of music, of Igbo identity. It has survived war, neglect, and political setbacks, yet it continues to grow. With some of the most beautiful estates and calmest living environments in Nigeria. Enugu is proof that the South is built not just cities, but lifestyles, places where beauty, culture, and comfort come together. Onitsha. If Lagos is the commercial capital, Onitsha is the commercial engine. Located by the River Niger, Onitsha is home to the famous Onitsha Main Market, the largest market in West Africa. Here, goods from across the world arrive. Imported electronics, fabrics, spare parts, and more. From Onitsha, these goods travel across Nigeria into neighboring countries. The city is dense, urbanized, and constantly moving. But Onitsha is not just about markets. With the new second Niger Bridge and the river port development, the city is set to become an even greater hub for trade and logistics. Despite congestion and challenges, Onitsha continues to expand with estates, hotels, and businesses. It is the heartbeat of Igbo commerce and a city that defies hustle and resilience. Aba. Aba is Nigeria's industrial hub. Here, small and medium-scale industries thrive, from shoemaking to textile to machine fabrication. The famous Owerri International Market is the backbone of this creativity, producing goods that reach across Africa. In Aba, ingenuity is everything. The people build, create, and innovate, often with limited resources, and the city itself is catching up with new roads, flyovers, and estates, improving its infrastructure. Aba represents the spirit of Nigerian entrepreneurship. They believe that with skill and determination, anything is possible. It is one of the cleanest cities and calmest cities, and it is alive and buzzing with energy and ambition. Benin City. Historic Benin, home of the Great Benin Kingdom, stands as both a cultural landmark and a growing modern city. The famous Ring Road is its commercial hub, while new estates and projects spread outward. Benin City combines its ancient heritage, the palace of the Oba, the bronze work, with the growth of the modern Nigerian city. It is not the busiest or the flashiest, but Benin City's steady growth, improved infrastructure, and cultural importance secures its place on this list. Owerri. Finally, we arrive in Owerri, the entertainment and hospitality capital of Nigeria and Southeast Nigeria. Owerri is known for its luxury hotels, vibrant nightlife, and fast-growing estates. It is a city that has quietly grown into one of Nigeria's most attractive places to live. Malls, roads, and planned neighborhoods give it a sense of order. But beyond that, Owerri is warm, welcoming, and alive. For the Igbo people, Owerri represents both tradition and modern aspiration. It is a city of enjoyment, of beauty, and of constant growth. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to see more videos like this. And there you have it, Nigeria's top 10 most built-up city. From Lagos to Abuja, from Abuja to Kano, each city tells its own story. But one truth stands out. Despite the setbacks, neglect, and challenges faced by the Southeast, the region is home to 4 of Nigeria's top 10 cities: Enugu, Aba, and Owerri. These are not just cities, these are symbols of resilience. They showcase some of the most beautiful estates, serene living environments, and determined people anywhere in the country. Nigerian cities are rising, and as they grow, they carry with them the hopes of a nation that is still building, still struggling, but also still dreaming.